I think this might be my last fun time. All right, guys, I've been debating if I was going to do this video because I purchased a very Ipsy holiday box back when it first premiered. I want to say in the end of October, the beginning of November of 2025. And I don't even know. And I've sat on it for so long. Sometimes your trauma, like you don't want the height to be higher than like the gifts that you receive. And so that may be why I didn't do what I was supposed to do. Anyway, but as you can see, this box is cutesy patootsy. People talk about it all the time. And I was like, is it going to really live up to the hype, right? Is it really what you want it to be? And then when you open it up, so number one was this Elemis. I have this cleaning face balm already. Yeah, this is the cleansing face balm. Number two, this is the Olaplex number 6. I love Olaplex. Come on, stay up, babes. You got to keep up with me. Number 3, this is Ofra Makeup Fix. I've never tried their makeup fix. I've tried their other products. So, not disappointed yet. Number 4, Origins Apple Pill. I don't usually use pills on my face because I haven't gotten to that place yet. Number 5, I try not to put things on my face because sometimes my skin can be so fickle and sensitive, and I really I pay attention to that. I do like Toy Factory, but I tried their eyebrow serum, their eyebrow gel for a while, and I still have it. But I realized when I used it that it kind of has a little bit of flakiness to it, and I didn't like that. I think that everybody should try a product and see if it works for them because you just never know. No, this is Toy Factory, and this is their Nia Pout, and this is a lip serum mask. That is kind of cute though, the container. Some stuff I just give away. I have like all of these beautiful young ladies that love makeup as well, and I just give the stuff away to them if I'm not going to use it. It's number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Okay, all right. So number 6 is the Perfect Day Shampoo Living Proof. I have this already. I've never tried it. Number 7, I received a sample in my Ipsy box before, and I'm just so particular about some of the shampoos that I use in my hair that I don't use just extra stuff. Tatcha cleansing oil. I love me a good Tatcha product. I've enjoyed almost every product I've gotten from Tatcha. It really is such a wonderful line. And I like the fact that when all of the kind of controversy came out about the foundations and stuff like that, they worked with them. That was pretty cool. Okay, so this is their cleansing oil. I think this may be the mini box. Number 8 is the Living Proof Conditioner. Again, I got that before, and again, I haven't tried those things. Number 9. Ooh, Dr. Brent. No more bags. I doubt it, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to try it. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10. Drunk Elephant Sunshine Drops. Now, I will say I do like Drunk Elephant. I have absolutely used their stuff. I'm impressed. I usually like their packaging, and I usually like what they have to offer. Sunshine Drops. I wonder if different boxes had different things. Like the boxes that went to influencers and stuff, was it different than the boxes that the general public got? Number 11. It's a perfume by Mason Lewis Marie. I usually don't like the scents that are sent in the boxes. Number 12. Glow Recipe. Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I like Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is one of my faves. Number 13. Blush filter. Huda Beauty blush filter. I want to say the things that I've gotten from Huda Beauty have been lipsticks for the most part. I don't think I've had a blush from them. Oh, that's pretty. That's super cutesy. Very bubblegummy. This will be good as an eyeshadow mixed with something else. Number 14. And this is a beauty sponge. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 15. I already have this. I already have this, and this lets you know that I have been on the website too long. Some stuff I just have an eye for because I genuinely just love being a girl. Like, I love having the option to wear makeup or no makeup, to have lashes or no lashes, to just embrace everything that is super feminine. I do not apologize. I stopped doing that a long time ago. I like show up as myself, and then that way I don't have to lie about that part, right? Like, my husband came in. Like, you can lie about a good relationship. You can lie about all kinds of things. You can even try to lie about yourself, but who you are as a person, really, it shows even when you're being phony. Like, it really does, because the real you is never interested in being suppressed at all. I wonder if it's the same colors that I already have. That's literally sitting in front of me. I'm not even lying. Yep. Just so you don't think that I'm lying to you. Some things you just like because you like them. I use this blush as a eyeshadow. It is just great. Number 16. I think this Tea Time Glow Oil. I want to say that I do not have this one. I do not have this Tea Time Glow Oil. I don't have this one. But okay, all right. It's only like 3 or 4 things that I'm like, I'm giving to somebody else. Number 17. I will say that I have enjoyed my subscription to Ipsy. I really enjoy the things that I have. This Ultra Repair lotion, body lotion, in my purse. In my purse. Literally, just put it back in my purse. It is like one of those tried and true, not tired. I'm not tired, y'all. I'm not. Maybe I'm a little bit tired. Ah, First Aid. First Aid Beauty always does such a fab job. You get it? First Aid Beauty. Anyway, number 18. This is Lip Injection Extreme Too Faced. I don't need my lips to be plump, but sometimes Too Faced has like some of the most fab colors. Okay. As much as I can. It literally starts to tingle the minute you touch your lips. It smells so good. Oh my God. It smells so good. And your lips are tingling. And I already got cute ones, so I'm not worried about that. Number 19. Number 19. Madrid. And what's this? A retinal youth renewal serum. Not sure if I'm going to use that because 20. Come in, babe. 21. I think 22, 23, 24. Girl can't count. 22, 20. Ahava. This is a moisturizer. I have to check this out. I've never had this brand before. It feels heavy. It's in glass, though. It smells like luxury. We'll see. 21. This is what's True Black Rare Beauty. True Black. I always love a good black eyeliner. I will never turn down a black eyeliner. That's really dark. I like that. That's going to do really well with tight lining. 22. These are just new brushes. Okay. 23. This is Juicy Lip Vinyl. Oh. Oh, you pump it in. Pimp it in. That is, it doesn't have a smell. I think I like that. I can't try it on right now by Tarte. This is by Tarte. I like Tarte. Okay, Juicy Lip Vinyl. 24. Do I feel like all of this was worth $149? Tower 28 mascara. I don't know. I don't know, because some of this stuff I would have never purchased myself. And I guess that's what you have to think about if you're ever going to get a package like this. I just wanted to do it once. I kept seeing it and I was like, oh, I want to try it. And I'm good. Oh, that is black. I like that. Okay, 2 products that the black is lacking. Yes, I like it. This Juicy by Tarte. And number 25, you have a little bag. If you know me, you know my relationship with Morphe is a little obsessive compulsive. Me and this color brown. I love me a good brown lippy. What's this? I can't even read the name. A highlighter. I don't know how I feel about that. A radiant stick. I'm gonna have to look up the line. You know what I mean? And then Smashbox Always on Mood Shadow. And it's a small. This is cute for the fall. It's also cute, like poppy nude. What would I keep? I'm giving away the bag. My Morphe lip liner, number 1. Number 2, this Rare Beauty eyeliner. Number 3, Smashbox. Number 4, this Tower 28 mascara. I think it's going to be good. Number 5, this Tarte lip vinyl. I feel like that's going to be cutie patooties. This lip injector by Too Faced. Yes. Bisha. Yes. Bish. Yes. I can always, I think I'm going to give these brushes. Let me see. Let me not lie. Yeah, I'm going to give these brushes away. I'm going to give these to the young girls who need them. I'm not going to use that. I have to look at this tea time and think about it. That's my iffy. This youth serum. I'm not afraid to get older, so I got to think about that. A beauty blender, beauty blush. I might give that to somebody. What is this? This Drunk Elephant? Yes, 100%. 100%. This Huda Beauty blush for my eyes? Yes. This Nia Pout lip serum mask, giving that away. This Ofra makeup fixer, it's my if. Olaplex? Yes. This Almus Origin apple peel, I'm not as sure about that. I need to look that up. My Glow Recipe? Yes. This Living Proof Perfect Hair Day? I don't think that's going to be for me. This Tatcha? Yes. Dr. Brent? No More Pores Bag Eye Gel? We'll think about it. This perfume? We'll see. So overall, not a bad purchase. It was a fun time, but I think this might be my last fun time because I enjoy the option of individual baskets from Ipsy, and I think my baskets have really just been something that makes me way happier than kind of getting random stuff. So, that was fun. Okay, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Let y'all know if I'm going to review any of these things. I'm going to look up the price on some of these things because this one moisturizer right here, I might have found something new. We'll see. Anyway, y'all be good. Bye.